What up, YouTube? This is the clutch cover for the CB650 right here. There's a clip here that's been snapped off. I'm gonna have to build another one. So let's see what this thing looks like. Right there, you can see it snapped right there. It holds this lever into place right here. So what we're gonna have to do is find a piece of metal around here and build another one of these. We'll build one of these pieces to bolt in here and hold it down. Alright, here's a piece of metal I found right here. We're going to cut this piece off, make it so we can use it for a clip to hold that clutch in. Almost. Okay, we got our piece of metal. I'm gonna go flatten it out with the hammer and then we'll start working it. Here's the piece of metal we made. Let's take these little burrs down on the edge. Nice piece of metal. What we're going to do is put it in here like this. Then we're going to push down and make it hold this in. So let's mark a spot to drill this hole. Marked up the spot. Now let's drill it out so it'll accept this nut. There's the piece after we drilled the hole in it for the nut. Nut goes through it. So what I'm going to do is bend a little tab here at the end of this to push down right about here. Okay. Put it in about a half a centimeter. Now I'm just going to fold it over. That's exactly what we needed to push down on that clutch fork. Here we are. Put our nut inside. So we're holding it in on both sides, which is nice. Line it up in the middle. And tighten this bolt down. Now here we go. This is some harder steel. I'm going to make another one out of some harder steel. And I got to plug that in. Okay. I used an old Sawzall blade. Let's drill that hole out. Drill out this hole. Nasty. Let's clean this thing up. This one's a lot thicker than the stock one. Hopefully we don't have any problems with this one breaking. fits good. Now I'm going to put a little bend in it. Let's do the little bend. Not much. Just enough to give it some pushback, like that. We got it in. Put our screw in. We'll tighten it down. Let's see how good we're looking now. That is perfect. You see what we got there? Pushes it back, folds out. Perfect. That's going to be better than stock, actually. And now that clutch is fixed. Alright, so we got the clutch cover back on. This is where we adjust the tension on that fork to push on the clutch. I got the cable hooked up. Now what we got to do, make sure we got a little bit of play. You always want a little bit of play up in the handlebar. You can already see it's working. So now we just gotta adjust to where it's tight. Come back up and test it. Got a little bit of play. Pulling in, now spin the back wheel. Put it in first gear. It's locked up. Pull the clutch. And we're rolling. Let go of the clutch. Lock. Nice. Another part fixed for free.